In a narration found in Sahih Muslim, number 6579, the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, warned that the bankrupt Muslim is the one who accumulates many righteous deeds, such as fasting and prayer, but as they mistreated people, their good deeds will be given to their victims, and if necessary their victims' sins will be given to them on Judgment Day. This will lead to them being hurled into hell. It is important to understand that a Muslim must fulfill both aspects of faith in order to achieve success. The first are the duties in respect to Allah, the Exalted, such as the obligatory prayer. The second aspect is to fulfill the rights of people, which includes treating them kindly. In fact, the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, has declared in a narration found in Sunan and Nasai, number 4998, that a person cannot be a true Muslim and believer until they keep their physical and verbal harm away from a person and their possessions, irrespective of the religion they follow. It is important to understand that Allah, the Exalted, is infinitely forgiving, meaning, He will forgive those who sincerely repent to Him, but He will not forgive the sins which involve other people until the victim forgives first, as people are not so forgiving. A Muslim should be fearful that those who they have wronged will exact revenge on them by taking away their precious good deeds on Judgment Day. Even if a Muslim fulfills the rights of Allah, the Exalted, they may still end up in hell simply because they have wronged others. It does not make sense to accumulate righteous deeds, such as prayers and fasts, only to hand them over to others on Judgment Day. One must instead strive to increase their righteous deeds and minimize their sins by fulfilling the rights of Allah, the Exalted, and people, according to the teachings of Islam.